Welcome back to Ride Geek, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into a true icon that's been turning heads for decades, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. This legendary cruiser has received some significant updates this year, and we're here to break down every detail for you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Fat Boy stays true to its heritage with that unmistakable muscular stance. The bike features 18-inch machined Lakester wheels wrapped in massive tires, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The cutback fenders add to its robust look, while the iconic headlamp nacelle shines in bright polished chrome, accentuating the large and muscular front end. New premium paint options and a bold tank medallion further embolden the design, ensuring that the Fat Boy remains a head-turner. Under the hood, the Fat Boy is more thrilling than ever. It's now powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 117V twin engine, delivering a robust 104 horsepower and a whopping 126 feet-lb of torque. This means effortless long-mile highway cruising and exhilarating in-town performance. The updated monoshock rear suspension offers improved comfort while maintaining firmness during aggressive riding, ensuring a smooth and controlled experience. Additionally, the high-flowing 2x2 exhaust system not only enhances performance but also provides that rich V-twin sound Harley enthusiasts love. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Fat Boy seamlessly blends classic form with modern features. The 5-inch analog display is clear and easy to read, with an integrated digital screen showing key information like ride modes. Updated hand controls now accommodate cruise control and newly integrated tech features, including ride modes and traction control. USB-C charging keeps your devices powered, allowing you to ride farther while using navigation, listening to music, and staying connected through your Bluetooth headset. An adjustable brake lever lets you tune lever distance to maximize braking efficiency regardless of rider reach. Safety is paramount, and Harley-Davidson has equipped the Fat Boy with a suite of rider safety enhancements. These smart technologies assist in managing traction during acceleration, deceleration, and braking, especially in unexpected situations. Features include anti-lock brake system, traction control system, drag torque slip control system, tire pressure monitoring system, cornering enhanced ABS, cornering enhanced traction control, and cornering drag torque slip control. These systems work together to provide extra peace of mind when things get a little unpredictable. Now, let's talk about the investment. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy starts at $22,599 in the United States. Financing options are available, with monthly payments as low as $350 for qualified buyers. This pricing reflects the premium quality, performance, and heritage that come with the Harley-Davidson name. In terms of value for money, the Fat Boy offers a compelling package. Its blend of classic design, modern technology, and powerful performance makes it a standout in the cruiser category. Whether you're a longtime Harley enthusiast or new to the brand, the 2025 Fat Boy delivers an experience that's hard to match. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation while honoring its rich heritage. With its bold design, powerful engine, advanced features, and comprehensive safety systems, it offers riders an exceptional blend of style, performance, and peace of mind. If you're in the market for a cruiser that stands out in its category, the Fat Boy should undoubtedly be on your radar. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Geek for more motorcycle reviews and insights. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.